Have you ever wanted to work from home? There's no better time than now with so many opportunities and ways to make money on the internet. This video is to help you with ideas on how to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make $300 a day. I'll share with you amazing methods for making a passive income. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 and want a better way to make money, this is for you. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Making $300 every day can be done in a variety of ways, both online and offline. Pick the method that fits your current level of expertise and way of life the best. Here, I listed the top strategies for earning an additional $300 daily. 1. Become a social media manager. If you are good at social media, you can make a lot of money as a social media manager. There is a lot of demand for social media managers in the job market. Also, there are some online courses that can be taken for this job. The average salary for a social media manager is $64,000 per year. But the range varies from $30,000 to $100,000 per year depending on the company and other factors. There are many ways to make money working as a social media manager. You can work for an agency or start your own business as well. 2. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are people who work remotely, typically from their own homes. They perform administrative, clerical, and other tasks for clients. Virtual assistants can work with a wide range of clients and industries. The most common type of client is an individual or small business owner who needs to free up time in their schedule to focus on their core competencies. Other clients include large corporations, which may outsource some of their administrative tasks to virtual assistants in order to save money. Virtual assistants operate using a variety of tools such as email, instant messaging, and video conferencing. They can also use social media networks like Facebook and Twitter to communicate with their clients or other virtual assistants in the field. Online job marketplaces like Upwork and Freelancer, as well as Facebook groups, are good places to look for virtual assistant positions. Virtual assistants often get pays between $20 and $25 per hour. 3. Take on odd jobs. Odd jobs are small tasks that you can do for other people in your community, and they don't take much time or expertise. They could be as simple as walking someone's dog, picking up groceries, or helping someone move, etc. Odd jobs are easy to find and good if you want something flexible. The easiest approach to locating odd jobs in your neighborhood is to check Craigslist. Another possibility is TaskRabbit. This portal helps users locate task helpers. You may earn $300 or more a day performing odd things. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.